Let's talk about bringing the power of a massive AI model right onto your own computer. A major breakthrough called Agent CPM Explore is making that happen, and it's kicking off a whole new era of what we call local, long-horizon AI.
You've probably noticed this yourself. Most AI models are fantastic sprinters. You give them a short, simple task, and they nail it. But the moment you hand them a really complex problem, something that requires a ton of steps and sustained focus, they just fall apart. The real world, though, it demands marathon runners.
And that marathon, that's what we're talking about with long-horizon tasks. We're not just talking about answering a single question. This is about handling an entire complex workflow. Think about doing deep market research or debugging a huge chunk of code. These things can take, over 100 sequential steps using all sorts of different tools, and you have to adjust your strategy on the fly. It's exactly this kind of challenge where most AIs just stop.
All right, so this is where Agent CPM Explore steps onto the scene. It's an AI agent specifically designed from the ground up to be that marathon runner. It's built to conquer these incredibly long, complex tasks, and honestly, it is a total game changer.
Now, the first thing that stands out is its size. It's just a 4 billion parameter model. In a world of these gigantic 100 billion parameter AIs running in the cloud, 4 billion sounds almost tiny. But that's the whole point. That compact size is its secret weapon.
See, because it's so incredibly efficient, it can run on a single local GPU, right on your own machine. And that is huge. It completely cuts the cord from slow, expensive cloud APIs. You get all this power, but with total privacy, because your data never, ever has to leave your device.
And it's not just about being small and efficient, it's about pure stamina. This agent can handle over 100, that's right, 100 continuous tool interactions to solve a single problem. That's just incredible endurance.
Think about what that kind of endurance unlocks. We're talking about the ability to do seriously deep work. The agent can go out and search the web, execute code, read and write files, and then analyze and cross-validate all that information again and again until the task is complete. And it does all of this right there on your machine, completely on its own.
Now, the real magic here isn't just in the model itself. The agent's power comes from being part of this whole integrated, completely open source ecosystem. That's what really unlocks its potential.
The first piece of the puzzle is something called Agent RL. Think of it as the expert coach. It uses reinforcement learning. Basically, the agent learns by doing. Through trial and error, it figures out the absolute best ways to use tools and plan multiple steps ahead. It just gets smarter and more efficient with every single task it tackles.
Then you have Agent Doc. This is the agent's secure workshop. It's a unified server environment that provides sandboxed access to all the crucial tools it needs: web search, running code, file operations, you name it. The sandboxed part is key because it means the agent can work without ever posing a risk to your main system. And the third component is Agent to Leap. This is like the Olympic trials for AI agents. It's a one-click evaluation platform designed to put the agent through its paces, to rigorously benchmark its capabilities and prove, with hard data, that it can master these incredibly difficult challenges.
So let's walk through how this looks in action. First, the agent deconstructs the core problem. Then, using Agent Doc, it gets to work, accessing tools to analyze and cross-validate information from all over. And here's the crucial part. It iterates. It refines its strategy over and over again until, finally, it delivers the complete solution.
Okay, the whole system sounds impressive, but the real proof is always in the performance. So let's look at the numbers, because this is where Agent CPM Explore really shines on the industry-standard benchmarks. When you put it head-to-head, this little 4 billion parameter model absolutely holds its own against the giants. I mean, look at this. It's right there competing with massive closed-source models. And on really complex benchmarks like WebWalker, it's actually outperforming open-source models that are way, way larger. In fact, this is the very first full-parameter 4 billion agent model to ever rank on 8 of these major long-horizon and complex agent benchmarks. For a model this compact that can run on your own machine, that's not just impressive, it's genuinely groundbreaking. Let's put this into even sharper focus. On the really tough WebWalker benchmark, Agent CPM Explore scores over 68%. That's not just good, it's handily beating models twice its size, like the 8 billion Miro Thinker, and even some that are 8 times bigger. This is truly state-of-the-art performance for its class.
So, when you take a step back, all of this points to a massive shift in how we think about AI. This is about so much more than just one new model. It's about a future where powerful, autonomous AI isn't just in the cloud. It's running right where you are. The future of AI is local.
This kind of on-device autonomy just unlocks a whole world of possibilities. We're talking about true agent independence, running on your own hardware. That means enhanced privacy and security because your data stays with you. It means you can do deep, complex research without racking up huge API bills. And since the entire ecosystem is open source, it invites community collaboration. Anyone can extend it with new tools and new tasks.
At the end of the day, the big takeaway is this. Agent CPM Explore isn't just another new model. It's a whole new paradigm. It represents a fundamental shift, bringing the power of truly autonomous AI out of the centralized cloud and putting it directly into the hands of creators, researchers, and developers everywhere.